Data visualization has become a cornerstone of modern business operations, with organizations relying on clear, concise, and interactive tools to make informed decisions. Microsoft Power BI stands out as one of the leading platforms for business intelligence, offering both dashboards and reports to cater to various analytical needs. These tools are not only pivotal for real time monitoring, but also for diving deeper into comprehensive datasets. In this guide, we'll explore the nuances of Power BI dashboards and reports, focusing on their features, benefits, and use cases. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how each tool can be leveraged to maximize data analysis and drive business success. So, Power BI dashboard is often referred to as a snapshot of your business. It's a single page canvas that aggregates data from various sources into a visually dynamic summary. Dashboards are designed for real time monitoring, offering a high level view of performance metrics such as sales figures, customer satisfaction ratings, or operational efficiency. Dashboards are particularly beneficial for decision makers who need to see critical information at a glance without delving into detailed reports. This makes them an excellent tool for executives, team leads, and stakeholders focused on KPIs. So, for its features, first it has the real time data monitoring. Dashboards can integrate with live data sources, ensuring that the information displayed is always up to date. This allows businesses to track changes and respond to critical updates in real time, whether it's monitoring sales trends or analyzing market performance. Another feature is the highly customizable visuals. Power BI dashboards offer an extensive library of charts, gauges, and maps that can be tailored to specific metrics. This helps organizations present data in a visually appealing manner, making it easier to identify trends and anomalies at a glance. Another feature is its cross platform accessibility. Dashboards can be accessed from desktops, mobile devices, and tablets, ensuring data availability anywhere and anytime. This enhances collaboration among teams, particularly for remote or hybrid work environments. Another key feature is the interactive and intuitive. So it has clickable tiles and filters, enable users to interact with the dashboard, drilling down into underlying datasets when necessary. This combines high-level summaries with the flexibility to explore deeper insights, offering a perfect balance for strategic planning. So next, let's talk about the Power BI reports. So, in contrast to dashboards, a Power BI report is a multi page analytical tool that offers an in depth exploration of datasets. Reports are designed for detailed analysis, allowing users to slice, filter, and interact with data in various ways. Each page of a report can focus on different aspects of business operations, making them a go to tool for operational and analytical teams. Reports are more comprehensive than dashboards, providing users with the ability to identify patterns, trends, and insights that might not be immediately visible at a higher level. So, for its key features, first is the multi page layouts. Reports can span multiple pages, each designed to focus on specific datasets, departments, or objectives. This offers comprehensive insights, ensuring no aspect of the data is overlooked. Another key feature is the dynamic filtering option. Users can apply filters and slicers to refine the data they view, tailoring it to their specific analytical needs. This empowers users to gain actionable insights based on customized parameters. Another key feature is the granular data exploration. Reports allow drill through and drill down capabilities to explore hierarchical datasets, such as sales by region, product, or time period. This provides granular control over data analysis, helping businesses identify key drivers of success or failure. And another key feature is the advanced analytics with DAX or data analysis expressions. Reports can incorporate complex calculations and predictive analytics using data analysis expressions. This enables organizations to make data driven predictions and strategic plans. So, why is Power BI a great choice? Power BI remains the gold standard in business intelligence for its versatility and ease of use. Its ability to seamlessly integrate with Microsoft 365 tools, as well as third party applications, make it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. With dashboards for real time updates and reports for in depth analysis, Power BI caters to the diverse needs of executives, analysts, and operational teams alike. Additionally, Power BI is cost effective compared to many competitors and continues to evolve with features like AI insights and natural language queries. Whether you're tracking KPIs or performing advanced analytics, Power BI empowers businesses to unlock the full potential of their data. So basically, whether you're an executive monitoring KPIs or an analyst diving deep into data patterns, Power BI has the tools you need to succeed. So as businesses continue to prioritize data-driven strategies in 2025, Power BI stands out as an essential platform for turning raw data into actionable insights. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.